Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and here in this video I will show you how to insert a VBA code in your PowerPoint. So the first step is to enable your developer tool. For that, you need to right click on this help tab and click on customize the ribbon. So after this window pops up, you need to check this option developer and click on OK. So after that, you will have a new tab visible, which is developer. Click on that and you just need to click on Visual Basic. Here, click on your project and click on this insert from this drop down menu and module. So you'll have a new module dialog box in the center. You just need to write your VBA code, and after that you need to go back to your PowerPoint and click on File. Here, save it as PowerPoint macro enabled presentation. So make sure you have this file type while you are saving your PowerPoint, and that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.